Welcome to the Plustek Image Express tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to scan A2 size documents using an A3 flatbed scanners. For starters, turn the document over and scan it in two separate halves. Next, from the Image Express editing page, select the first image. This will become the left side of the final image. Click Merge. You'll see a blank area appear on the right. Now drag the second image into the blank area and drop it into place. The two images are automatically stitched together, restoring the full document. If needed, Image Express also supports vertical merging. When combining components from different images, click the second row of buttons to adjust the fitting and alignment settings. Click Save to save the results. And that's it. You now know how to scan and merge two images into one file using Plustek Image Express. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back soon for more pro tips.